Hi, Joanna, you want to help me?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. So Joanna's going to help me change the turn signal lights. I got some right here. They're pretty low, and I want to get them brighter. They're incandescent, and I think they're original. They're pretty dim. So Joanna's going to help me.
What's that?
With this. Let's go this side. You don't have to go inside.
Why?
You want to go inside?
Yeah.
No, you have to. Okay. Let's go inside. Okay. So, I picked these up from Amazon. Super quick video. Pull one out. Take one out for me. Nice. So, see that? It has this round connection instead of an insert, fat insert, and these are amber. So I'm hoping they're gonna be good. So Joanna, come here. We're gonna go to this one right here. This is the signal one. Turn it left. You hear that pop? You hear that pop, Joanna? Okay. Let's see. We're gonna change the bulb. So we're gonna hold it and turn it. Now pull the bulb out. Take it out. Pick up the bulb. No, take this one out. Take it out. There you go. Yeah, and you can see. Look how old that bulb is, Joanna. But it's the same mount. You see that?
I can throw it.
No, don't throw it.
Why?
See the size? It's the right size. But look how worn out that is. It's not even yellow anymore. You see that? Or orange. See that? So now we're gonna get this other one.
It looks like diamond.
You think so? So we're just gonna
It looks like orange fruit.
line it up. You'll see the little notch right there. If I can get it. I hope this is the right size. So what happens is that the notch is not even. And that's the reason why. Let me try the front one. Alrighty, we are back out. There's my son Jeremiah. We're back out with the 2002 Subaru WRX, aka Scooby. And these are rear turn signals, yellow ones. Hey, and I picked these up. This bulb is not the same as the front turn signal bulb. You see how these two dots are right here? You notice they're not at the same 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock position. They're kind of like 12 o'clock, 5 o'clock. And so it's a special bulb number. I'll put the link what kind of bulb and number this is, but it's different for this turn signal than the front, which is crazy. Like every bulb is different, but anyways, super easy to change. At least pop it out, twist that out, and it goes, the teeth go in there. And look at this, look how dirty that is. Look how it's just, the color is all fading out, and that's because it's OG. I'm pretty sure it's the original bulb, which is good that it lasted this long. So the other bulb, super easy to go on. You find the notch. That's where I had a problem with the other one. You find the notch. Yep, and it fits in the notch. And you twist it to the right, and that's it. Find the slot. Now, put it in there, right? Yep. Until it clicks. Oh, let me turn on the. Let me turn on the lights so you can see the difference on this. So this is hyper flashing because the LEDs are triggering, thinking the bulb is out. So that's the next thing I got to do. I have a relay that I'll be replacing, and I'll show you how to do that soon. So we'll be back with how to fix hyper flashing or hyper blinking or hyper something here. But you can totally tell big difference in brightness. Alright, we'll be back. Next video, don't forget to like, subscribe this video, post your comments below. Thanks, peace out.